everyone, Ruby Roo here with my good pal Rubit. We are back and ready to learn fun new things with the magic wheel. There it is. Let's spin it and find out what we're doing today. Math? Of course! Numbers are so cool. I'm ready. Follow the recipe to make the cake? What cake? What am I supposed to do with all of this? Oh, I've got it. Okay, thanks, Rubit. I have to put these blocks into this pot to make the cake. All I have to do is follow the recipe. Okay, I get it. 5. I've got to put 5 blocks into the pot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look, the number changed. Now it says 8. Okay, let's think. To get to 8, we were on 5, so we have to add 3 blocks. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 8! We did it! It changed again. Now we have to reach 10. From 8, we have to add 2 blocks. 1, 2. We got 10. Oh no! Rubik, what's happened? The number changed again. It went from 10 back down to 5. We have to go from 10 down to 5. That means we have to take 5 blocks out of the pot. I know. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, Rubik. The number changed again. It was a 5, but now it says 15. How do we get from 5 to 15? Think, Ruby, think. Okay, to go from 5 to 15, we have to add 10 blocks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yay, we did it! What do you think that means? Put the lid on the pot. Okay. Rubik, we did it. We took away and added all the right numbers and followed the math recipe. And look what happened. We made the cake. Mission accomplished. See you next time, friends, when we learn more things. But until then, Rubik and I are going to sit here and enjoy this delicious